Good morning, students. Welcome to another SAT English lesson online. I hope you are doing well. Okay, I hope you are solving SAT questions online in Khan Academy, and you are sharing your information with teacher Emre. I have also access to this site, and I will see your result as well. Okay, students, I sent you a message telling you that this week we are going to solve the questions from test 3 from Khan Academy, but we left something half. So today we are going to finish that half, and tomorrow we will start from test 3. Okay, so let's get started. I hope everyone is seeing my screen right now. Okay, so students, as a short summary, what were we doing? We were reading a text about Greek yogurt, right? And benefits of Greek yogurt. Although there were some disadvantages of using and consuming Greek yogurt in the USA, there were also some benefits, right? And the text was talking about this. Okay, so we were at question 6, right? So let's get started. Here it says the writer is considering deleting the underlined sentence. Should the writer do this? Okay, so let's read this paragraph again. Though these conservation methods can be costly and time-consuming, they are well worth effort. So here it was talking about some methods, right? How to get rid of drawbacks of Greek yogurt, right? And let's continue. Nutritionists consider Greek yogurt to be a healthy food. It is an excellent source of calcium and protein, serves to be the digestive aid, and it contains few calories in its unsweetened, low and non-fat forms. So here, in this paragraph, it's also talking about benefits of yogurt, right? Here, again, Greek yogurt is slightly lower in sugar and carbohydrates than conventional yogurt is, right? So here, in this paragraph, it's also talking about benefits of yogurt. Okay, so here, this sentence, though these conservation methods can be costly and time-consuming, they are well worth the effort. So here, again, it's supporting the idea that we should keep doing Greek yogurt, right? So our answer should be no, right? Because this paragraph is already supporting this idea here. So we are going to eliminate the options say yes, right? So we are going to eliminate A and B. Okay, so C, let's read C. No, because it continues the explanation of how acid waste can be disposed of safely. No, here it's talking about something, right? The previous paragraph, it was talking about how to get rid of it. But now in this paragraph, it's not talking about this, right? It's not saying that how can we get rid of the acid, right? acid grade. So we can also eliminate C. And D, no, because it sets up the argument in the paragraph for the benefits of yogurt. So since it's talking about benefits of yogurt as a whole paragraph, we can keep it. Okay, so our answer is D. I hope it's clear, students. Okay. 7. It says, how can we change this? Or it's gonna stay the same. Let's read. Nutritionists consider Greek yogurt to be healthy food. It is an excellent source of calcium and protein, serves to be a digestive aid. So here, what do you think? There is a problem or it's okay? Well, students, when you read it, it seems that there is no problem, but for correct English grammar, okay, for standard English, according to standard English rules, it's wrong, right? It's wrong. So no change is not an option. Okay, B, let's put as. It is an excellent source of calcium and protein, serves as a digestive aid. Sounds good, right? Sounds correct English, right? So we can keep B and C. Serves like a digestive aid. When you look at here, like sounds good too, right? We can put like. So let's keep B and C, okay? D, serves for a digestive aid. So here, if we have like as like, we don't need to use for, right? It doesn't sound well. Okay. So here, let's see now which one, B or C. And my question is to you: which one is formal? Which one is according to standard grammar? Okay. As, right? As is according to standard grammar, because like is more informal, right? So our answer is B, students. Okay. And here, as is more proper. Okay, it's more according to standard English. Okay, we move on. So here we can also eliminate C. Okay, 8. Again, let's see. Nutritionists consider Greek yogurt to be a healthy food. It is an excellent source of calcium and protein, serves as a digestive aid, and it contains few calories in its unsweetened, low and non-fat forms. So let's look. It contains. So here, no change. Is there a problem? What do you think? It says it contains. It seems that there is no problem, right? It is an excellent source of calcium and protein, serves to be a digestive aid, and it seems there is no problem. But here, students, we have already it subject here, right? And we can connect two sentences with it, and when there is and, right? We can connect. We don't need to say again. We don't need to put it here again, because we have subject here, and it's talking about the same thing, right? It's not talking about a different thing. So we can use it for both sentences, right? Because the sentence is divided. The sentence is connected with and. So there is no need, right? So we can eliminate we can eliminate A because our subject is the same. We don't need to put another it here. So it says containing. We can't put it, right? We need is if we want to use a verb with ing. So we can also eliminate B. C, and contains without it. Sounds good, right? As we explained. So we can keep C. D, it is an excellent source of calcium and protein, serves to be a digestive aid. And so if you put will, it will talk about future tense. Here it is generalized, right? It is like a rule. If you remember, we use present simple for facts or the things that we always do. So it's a fact. It's a kind of fact. So we don't need to use will as a future tense, right? Do you agree? Okay. So here our answer is C, contains. Okay, so we continue. 9, it says what? No change, in other words, therefore, for instance. Okay, let's see. It was talking about benefits of yogurt here, right? And it says also, because it is more concentrated, Greek yogurt contains slightly more protein per serving, thereby helping people stay satiated for long periods of time. Okay, so it's also talking about benefits of yogurt, right? And it says it is also, we can also keep it. It's saying this, right? Also, it is also for this reason that we need to keep the yogurt, the usage of yogurt. We need to continue consuming Greek yogurt. So no change. So it's giving more benefit, right? So we can keep also here. We can keep also. So no change. We can put it here, right? So we don't need to eliminate A, right? Because we said we can keep it, right? Okay. So let's keep A. We said it's okay there. In other words, there it's not explaining, it's not giving, it's not an explanation of the previous sentence, right? So we don't need to use in other words. Therefore, there is no like reason and cause and effect, right? So we can also eliminate C. For instance, no, it's not giving a example. Okay. So also it's okay here. It's talking about till here. It is talking about benefits of yogurt, and now saying also it is also giving. It continues giving benefits of yogurt. Okay, so our answer is A, students. All right, so let's move. Okay, so the same sentence, it says that which one is correct? No change, fulfilled, complacent, sufficient. Okay, here, students, we need to know the meaning of vocabulary, and we need to put them in context where they make sense, right? So satiate, what does it mean? Satiate. Satiate, actually, I will make the definition instead of looking up the dictionary. Satiate means desire a feeling, okay? Satiate, satisfy a desire, actually. Satisfy a desire. It can be hunger or another desire. Satisfy a desire, okay? Fulfill, so satiated means satisfy a desire. Fulfill means happy, pleased, or spiritually satisfied. Spiritually, okay? Not physically. About feelings, okay? Complacent means pleased with a situation. Being pleased with a situation. Okay. Sufficient, you know it, it's enough. Let's now look at the sentence. Greek yogurt contains slightly more protein per serving, thereby helping people stay satiated for long periods of time. So here, like it's talking about hunger, right? Or here, instead of having, in terms of having protein, right? They human body needs protein, right? Instead of like satisfying their desire, protein, okay? So satiated here, I think satiated here fits, right? Because it means to satisfy a desire. Okay, so let's keep A. Fulfilled. As I told you, fulfilled means it's about spirituality. It's about spirituality. Okay, it's not about physical thing. But here we need something physical, right? So we can eliminate B. And complacent means pleased with a situation. But we are not talking about a situation here. We are talking about whether someone will be like the need of protein won't be needed, right? Anymore. So complacent, we can also eliminate complacent. Sufficient. We can put sufficient here, but as I told you, satiated fits better, right? Because it explains it very well, saying that this feeling, this need will be satisfied. Okay, so we can also eliminate B, and our answer is A. Yes, students, I hope it's clear, it makes sense. But if it is not that clear, you can also look at the meaning of satiate, okay, satiate. All right, let's move on, students. Here, 11. Let's read from here. Because consumers reap the nutritional benefit of Greek yogurt and supports those who make and sell it. Therefore, farmers and business should continue finding safe and effective methods of producing the food. Okay, so sentence starts with because, right? Because. It's a kind of conjunction, right? Because consumers reap the nutritional benefits of Greek yogurt and support those who make and sell it. And here, I think we don't need to use therefore, right? Because we already use here because, right? We don't need to use another conjunction here. because we have already because, right? So no change. Let's keep no change. Oh no change, no, right? We need to eliminate no change. Okay, so we eliminate A. B, if farmers, so without therefore. Okay, let's keep B. C, if, it says if, comma, so farmers. So again, we hear conjunction. We don't need conjunction because we have already this. We can also eliminate C. And D, because consumers reap the nutritional benefits of Greek yogurt and support those who make and sell it. If we leave it like this, column, if we put column like this, and we will leave it unfinished, right? Because there is this conjunction, we need to make an explanation, right, students? So we can also eliminate D, and our answer is B. Okay, and we have finished this paragraph, this passage, right? I hope it was clear for you, students, and the way we solve the questions is beneficial for you. As I told you, here we are learning how to eliminate and how to find the answer who is the closest to our right answer, right? Okay, students, tomorrow we are going to continue from test 3, and I'm going to give you assignment from your course book as well. And the ones who finished test 2, they sent me their score. I accept them. I'm going to give you class for it. Okay, and I'm going to give merit the ones who participate in this online lesson as well. Okay, so students, we can finish here, and tomorrow we are going to continue from test 3. Okay, stay safe. I see you tomorrow.